Hey, what's up, fam? It's your boy Kurt, and today I'm going to show you how to do your best turkey fry ever using Bacon Up bacon grease that now comes in 22-pound containers. Next, you want to pat your turkey completely dry, as water and moisture is the enemy of a turkey fryer. Make sure you get inside and this thing is completely dry. Next, let's get a stick of butter. Let's add some broth to it. We're gonna flavor the inside of this bird as well as the outside. Then we're gonna take about 2 tablespoons of Allentown seasoning, the best for turkey. Add that in, and we're gonna mix it until it all melts in. Now we're gonna go over and inject our bird. Next, we're gonna take 1 to 1.5 containers of the bacon fat, pour it into the turkey fryer, heat it up to 375 degrees, being careful that you do not overflow the fryer. We're now up to 350 degrees. We're going to turn off the flame so that we can slowly lower the turkey into the fryer. It's going to be a slow up and down motion, and we do not want to just drop this in. So slowly put the bird in. And as you can see, there's still some moisture in there. The reason the flame is off is that if any oil or bacon grease blows over, it will not go into the fire. Now turn your flame back on and let this turkey, which is a 16.5 pound turkey, 17 pounds, we're gonna go ahead and let it cook for 3 minutes a pound, which will take us to almost 50 to 53 minutes. We're gonna check the temperature at the deepest part of the thigh, and we're gonna pull it out. It's been exactly 52 minutes. Go ahead and temperature check it at the deepest part of the thigh. And I'm getting a reading of 170 degrees, so we are more than good. Let's take it inside. There you have it, my friends, a moist and tasty deep fried turkey. Visit baconup.com while supplies last to see where you can pick some up.